Hello, everyone, and welcome again to Math 201. This is week two. Just a couple of reminders to schedule your midterm and final exam if you haven't done that already. It's very important to secure your seats now so you don't have to worry about that down the road. So I encourage you to schedule your exams if you haven't done that already. All right, for Module 2, we will be looking at introducing differentiation using limits of different quotients. We'll look at how to take derivatives and look at the rules in general when it comes to derivatives in general. We will talk about things like how to find the derivatives and their values, the power and the sum difference rules. We'll talk about the quotient and product rules, as well as how to differentiate a constant or constant times function. We'll be looking at how to find equations of tangent lines, how to apply the chain rule, the extended power rule, and so on. So a lot of things going into the calculus part of the course. So make sure you're reading the textbook. This will cover concepts in sections 1.4 to 1.8. So make sure you are also using the textbook as an additional resources. So by the end of the second week's module, you should be able to accomplish all these goals. So we're going to talk about differentiation or differentiable functions and how to use derivatives and then integrals to solve practical problems. So these are the main concepts that we're going to introduce for this week's module. So make sure you're reading the textbook, you're using the videos as well, because it goes into more explanations and some examples. I've also included the annotated slides, which also has some homework practical examples. So if you need help on your homework, I'd say go to the annotated slides that are provided as a guide to help you solve some of the homework problems that I think students find challenging. Be sure to review all those materials. And again, if you have questions, let me know. I know there are a lot to go through in this section, but make sure you are putting in the time and the effort. You want to make sure you're taking advantage of the materials and resources that are available so you can complete what needs to be done in this module. And as always, there are activities for you to complete. So there will be the check-in quizzes for A and B parts of the module. There will be homework assignments and there will be quizzes. So there are no discussions this week. So please do make sure you're completing all the tasks by the due date, which will be on Monday. And if you have questions, feel free to reach out to me and I'll be available to address all your questions and concerns. I wish you the best this week. Talk to you next time.